Today, I'll show you how to paste code in draw.io. First, open draw.io in your browser. You may also see it called diagrams.net. Open the diagram where you want to add your code or create a new diagram. Once the editor opens, click on an empty area of the canvas. Now, if you simply want to show code as text, the easiest way is to add a text box. On the left side, drag a text shape onto the canvas. You can also double-click anywhere on the canvas to create a text box. Now copy the code from your code editor, website, document, or message. Go back to draw.io and paste it into the text box. On Windows, press Ctrl-V. On Mac, press Command-V. Your code should now appear inside the text box. If the code looks messy, resize the text box by dragging the corners. You can also make the text easier to read by changing the font. Click the text box, then go to the style options on the right side. Choose a simple font, adjust the text size, and change the color if needed. For code, a monospace font is usually best because it keeps the spacing more even. If you want the code to look like a code block, place it inside a rectangle. Drag a rectangle onto the canvas, make the fill color light gray or dark, then paste your code inside it. This makes the code stand out from the rest of the diagram. You can also add a small title above it, like HTML code, SQL query, JavaScript example, or Python function. If you are pasting a lot of code, keep it short and clean. A diagram is usually easier to understand when it shows only the important part of the code. For longer code, you can paste only the main section and add a note like full code in project file or see repository for complete code. If you want to paste formatted code with colors, draw.io may not keep all formatting. In that case, you can take a screenshot of the code from your editor and insert the image into draw.io. To do that, copy the screenshot, then paste it directly onto the canvas. Or click Insert, then choose Image, and upload the screenshot. After adding your code, move it to the right place in the diagram. You can connect it to other shapes using arrows if the code is part of a process or system explanation. When everything looks good, click File, then Save. So, to keep it simple, add a text box, paste your code, adjust the font and size, and use a rectangle or screenshot if you want it to look more like a code block. And that's how you paste code in draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.